7 people affiliated to the National Super Alliance have sued Immigration Director Gordon Kihalangwe and Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i over the suspension of their passports. The 7 include David Ndii, Adams Oloo, Paul Mwangi, Henry Mien, Jimi Wanjigi, James Orengo and Simba Arati. According to the Director of Immigration, the revocation was done in line with the 2011 Citizen and Immigration Act, which stipulates the grounds for suspending the travel documents. The crackdown followed the move to swear in NASA leader Raila Odinga as the people's president on January 30th.